The other use of the perfect tense is connected to achievements. Achievement means when you complete an action, when you complete something, you have done it, you finished it successfully. This is the meaning of the word achievement. And like in the example of science has advanced a great deal. Here, has advanced is my present perfect, right? And here I am talking about some achievement that science has known from the past up to now. So science has developed, has advanced, has progressed. It is an achievement. So when you talk about an achievement of something, of somebody, you are using also the present perfect. He is a genius. Why? Because he has accomplished miracles. Because he has achieved miracles. She has done well in her final exam. She, capital letter, she has done well in her final exam. And here again, it's doing well. It's doing well in the exam. It's an achievement. We were talking about completed actions, about actions that have ended and have no specific time. But we can also talk and mention actions that are not completed, and this is just because of the use of the negative. I have not yet finished the exercise. What does it mean here? It means that I have my exercise in front of me, and I started to write the answers on the exercise maybe sometime before, and I haven't finished it yet. So I can use also here the present perfect. The bleeding has not stopped. Well, I see an accident maybe in the street, and I see the man is bleeding, and I say the bleeding has not stopped. We have to call an ambulance. The man will die if we will not call an ambulance. He needs to be taken to hospital. The bleeding has not stopped. So I'm talking about what I can see. So the bleeding has started when? At some time before, and now it is still bleeding. The plane has not yet arrived. Okay? It's the use of yet here. When we are talking about several actions, many actions happening one after the other, and we want to emphasize that they were incomplete. For example, here, I have had many internet disconnections this week. It means that during this week, you don't know exactly when exactly. This week, for you, it's vague, this week. So during this week, I had many internet disconnections. So you know about them. The family has experienced several setbacks so far. So far is very important. It shows to you from a time in the past up to now, the family has experienced several setbacks, disappointments, problems, etc. The student has sat for 2 exams this week. We know that he is going to answer questions in the exam. We know that it's this week. We don't know exactly when, but we know that it's this week. It's 2 exams. Here you have many, here you have several, here you have 2. It means that I'm talking about several actions which have occurred at different times in the past, but it suggests that the process is incomplete. It means when I tell you I have had many internet disconnections this week, it doesn't mean that it's the end. I will not have any disconnection. I don't know. Same thing when I say the family has experienced several setbacks so far. It doesn't mean that they are finished. They have finished with setbacks, problems. I have no idea about that. Same thing, the student has sat for 2 exams this week. During this week, I don't know when it is going to end this week. Is it this week from Monday to Sunday, or is it from Sunday to Monday? I don't know. I know that it's this week.